Today, analytics take a massive leap forward in Framer, starting with funnels. When analyzing conversion rates, you need something specific to track. That's why you'll now see a tracking ID field when selecting linked elements like buttons. Framer will suggest an ID based on context, but you can change it to whatever you like. Since we have multiple buttons linking to the Get Started page, we'll assign unique IDs to each. Then we'll head over to Analytics and create a new funnel. To track clicks, we simply add the IDs we've already set up. This gives us a clear picture of how our page is performing, which is great because now it's time to optimize with A/B testing in Framer. When you start a test, Framer will create a duplicate variant automatically. Let's say we want to test a dark version of this page. We'll make the changes directly on that variant, then hit Configure. Just like with funnels, we'll define the steps we want to measure. When you're ready, publish the site. Half of your visitors will see the control variant, the other half will see the test variant. Framer begins collecting results immediately. If enough data is collected, the winner is automatically chosen at 90% certainty. If not, you'll get an estimate of how long it'll take based on current traffic. When you're confident, stop the test and apply the winning variant. This is the fastest and simplest way to go deeper with analytics and testing, no code required. Advanced analytics are free to try on every business plan and fully available on all enterprise plans.